Alright, so I'm about to change this cat. I just started. All I did was took this off. It actually that bolt broke, but it don't matter because we don't need none of this no more. But it's safe to say that that's why it's throwing the code for it. So fat old crack in there. Okay, so surprisingly, all of these ones, I don't know why I can't turn this on my hand, but these all broke free, didn't want to break or nothing. Now I gotta do those ones. Dang, you can't see nothing. Now I gotta do those lower ones down there, and then I'm gonna have to take this out. I know that this is gonna most likely be a pain, but I don't know. I have a good feeling this is gonna go smoothly. Hopefully, I'm praying. Of course. Not even surprised. So that one was that one right there. Alright, so I've got the old cat off. That's just soaking. So I'm penetrating the wheel right now. This is called, I forget. Oh, duh. I gotta just go ahead and slap this together and then throw it on. I'm pretty sure I could put it all together and just slide it in there as a whole rather than, you know, putting it in there as two pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. And if it don't work, then I'll just take it apart and do it as two pieces. No big deal. So yeah, let's get to it. I got nothing else to do. I'm gonna go ahead and sand down these headlights and polish them, see what type of results we can get out of these before I buy some new ones. And I do need new tail lights because this one here is cracked, so I just gotta replace this one. Ain't no fixing that. Alright, so sanded it some. It still looks a little yellow, but it looks a lot better than this one. But real quick, I'm gonna hit it with the buffer. see what it looks like after that. If it don't look good enough, then I'm just gonna keep going. But I do want to, you know, try to salvage these because they are, you know, original headlights. So, alright, so apparently I didn't clean this thing the last time I used it, so I just tried to clean it out right now, but it was pretty filthy. It should still work though, but I don't know, my headlights might end up having a bluish tint to them. So yeah, I was right. Yeah, I feel like this ain't even gonna do nothing. Like, it's not gonna work. It might though. But yeah, the reason why it's like completely blue like this is because last time I used it, I did my hood and I didn't put clear coat on my hood, so it's just, you know, full of blue paint essentially. But this might work. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off and see what it look like. So I completely forgot I don't have no good rags either. So now I'm out here using paper towels, which just not gonna work good enough. Or it should be good enough, but it's not gonna work good. But yeah. Well, I mean, it ain't dry, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Just creating a big old mess, but it looks pretty good. Alright, second pass. Worlds better. Okay. This side, you can get on this side some more. So it still looks hazy over there, but right here it looks great. This side. It's a huge difference. Freaking huge difference. This just look all extra hazy. Can't even see nothing in there. And this one, you see right in there. And that only took me like 10 minutes or so, if that long. But yeah, I can definitely salvage these, because that's not bad, and I'm not even done yet. So this car is basically gonna be, you know, I'm gonna try to make this thing as clean as I can for as little as I can, and you know, that right there already makes a huge difference. But this door is gonna have to be replaced. I'm not gonna be able to fix that fat old dent. That dent is terrible. But other than that, honestly, let me see. This front bumper really don't even have to be replaced. It could just be repainted and whatnot. So, I mean, other than the windshield, this passenger door, and getting all this rust and stuff fixed, everything else on this car is fixable. You know, you got little dents like this here. Other than that, this quarter panel is pretty straight. The roof is good. Spoiler is straight. This gap don't look too bad at all. This back bumper don't really need to be replaced. I would want to, but it's honestly salvageable. Everything on here is pretty much salvageable. It's got some damage right here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix that, but my brother might be able to. So, you know, I'm not spending much money on doing too much anything to this car. It has a dent right here. that one might be able to, you know, it might be easy to just hammer out from the inside. My camera's tripping out again. There you go. This quarter panel, other than this here and that, it don't look too bad. This little dent right here on the door, might be able to fix that. I don't know. I think we should though. So yeah, this car ain't too bad. It's honestly, like, now that I'm looking at it, it's not as bad as I was thinking it was, but the thing that just makes it seem like it's so bad to me is this here. You know, this freaking rust all on the front of the car, all on the A-pillar. That's rusted all the way through right there. And it's the same thing on the other side, and I didn't even notice that until right now, honestly. But I mean, it is what it is. We're gonna get it fixed. Just you know, money. So I'm tripping, and I completely forgot that this is why this bumper needs to be replaced. So it does need to be replaced. Alright, so I just did the other side right now. It looks pretty good. It looks 1,000 times better for sure. But I ran out of the ultimate compound, and so I'm using this stuff here. It's not as powerful, but you know, I still got a good result, so it's no big deal. But you can definitely see, well, I don't know if you can see them on camera, but there's like some pretty deep scratches here still. You can kind of see them on camera. See? Okay. But yeah, and then there's a lot of light ones around here. But I'm not tripping. That's about good enough for me. Honestly, I'm probably gonna do a little bit more, like around this thing here, because I can see it still look kind of hazy right there. And then I gotta do this side over again completely, because it's not, you know, I didn't spend as much time on this one. Alright, so I think this is as good as we're gonna get with this rubbing compound, which honestly, this is great. I can still see like a lot of scratches right here though. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but yeah, it don't look clear, like right in this area right here. But that's alright, I ain't tripping. That's good enough. Especially compared to how they looked at first. They looked terrible, so this is great. So, I haven't even seen this car clean before. I don't know what it looks like. I'm kind of curious. Because I really have no idea what it would look like if it were clean. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about washing it, but it's stupid hot right now. So, I just washed the car, and it's actually not even as ugly as I thought it was. The paint not as bad as I thought it was. It's just got a lot of little chips on it. It looked like, I don't know, it almost looked like somebody never primered it or something, but how could it not be primered from the factory? I believe this is factory paint. I'm pretty sure this is a different door, because it's got like a different tint to it. But yeah, the car don't look too bad. This stuff here, like all the faded clear coat, I could actually fix this and make it look good, but I don't know, I might do it. I was gonna say it's not really a point, but the car would look better, so I guess it is a point. But you know, the whole car is gonna either be painted or wrapped, so. But yeah, the car actually don't look as bad now that it's washed. Alright, so the areas I'm trying to hit is like right here. I cut this flash on so I can see it a little bit better. Still kind of hard to see, but like this here, yeah, all of this. The door is not too bad. I don't really care about this door though, yeah. This is also not that bad. I can tell that, you know, somebody must have done this before in certain areas, but you know, it looks like they never did this here and like the roof. So I'm gonna try to do the whole roof freaking lint all on it from the towel. So I'm gonna have to get that off. I'm gonna try to do the roof and the spoiler like this here, along right there, and then basically the same thing over here, that all along right here. Oh no, I don't even think I should bother trying to do this. I don't know. Maybe I should have sanded it first. I don't know, but that looks kind of trash, honestly. I mean, I would definitely prefer dark spots over light spots, like how this came out. I'm sure this will probably get the same result, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like the spoiler is gonna be, you know, it's gonna be a wash. Yeah, so I feel like I'm wasting my time. I did like that side. You can tell like it looks darker. That's the only difference. It don't look no better. Honestly, I think it's because the compound I'm using and the little pad that I'm using. So, because I'm sure if I was using the ultimate compound and I had a new pad, it would, you know, it would give it some shine. But, you know, that's right now, that's all it's done. So, I feel like I'm wasting my time. So, I'm just go ahead and clean the rest of that, and then, yeah, pull this crap out the garage and put the coupe back in.